Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a ladybug, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a very large upside down U. That is going to be the body of our ladybug. Let's close that up at the bottom with a straight line. And then on this side, I'm going to make my ladybug's head. So I'm going to have a nice round circle. And then on top of that circle, I'm going to make some little antennae. I like to make really straight lines with a curve at the top. Now inside this head, I'm going to make a curved line and a curved line, and I'm going to put a dot in the middle there. And then I think I'm going to make a small smile for my ladybug. Now ladybugs have dots, so I'm going to make some dots on my ladybug. You get to decide how many dots you'd like to make. I think I'm just going to fill up my whole ladybug like that. Now, what I would suggest is that you color these in black or any color that you'd like. It doesn't have to be black, but ladybugs usually have black dots. I am not going to do that right now because it might take me a while, so I think I'm just going to leave that up to your imagination, and you can do that whenever you're ready. Ladybugs have 6 legs, so you can put the legs going straight across like this, or you can put them like this like I do. Because this is a cartoon ladybug, you can just pretty much do whatever you'd like. All right, I'm going to make a background for my ladybug. I'm going to make a line, and I'm going to jump over my ladybug and bring the line out the other side. I'm going to maybe put some flowers down here at the bottom. So curved line with a circle at the top. And then I'd like to put some petals on my flowers and maybe even a little leaf. Maybe put one here. Don't forget that stem. Maybe one right here. All right, and I think I'll put a couple of clouds up in the sky to show that the ladybug is hanging around on a nice spring day. If you can think of anything else that you'd like to put on your drawing right now, it would be a good idea. Maybe I want to put one more cloud here to do that now before you start coloring or painting. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this project. I'll see you next time.